Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video I talk about prime number. So at first we have to know what is the prime number. Prime number is 2, 3, 5, 11 and etc. So how we know the number is prime or not? So prime number are whole number that greater than 1 and have two factor, 1 and the number itself. Prime number are divisible only by the number and 1. Okay, means 2 only divisible by 1 and 2, 3 only divisible by 1 and 3, 7 only divisible by 7 and 1, 11 only divisible by 11 and 1, but 4 not divisible by only 4 and 1, is also divisible by 2. That's like 6 also divisible by 3. So how we check, how we write the program of prime number? Here you can see, suppose user give us 5. Suppose the number is 5. We check 5 is prime or not. So we have to declare the invariable n, I and count. Count equals to 0. And inside the n we are storing the value, means we are storing 5 inside n. Okay. Then a for loop. And I starts from 1, I goes up to the value means 5 and I plus plus. Then we check if n mod I equals to 0, means here n is 5 and I is 1. So 5 mod 1 equals to 0. Okay. Then count plus plus. Now count is 1. Then again the loop goes and I2. Then the condition not satisfied, then again the loop run and I3, then n mod I not equals to 0, then count will not increase. Again it goes for I equals to 4, n mod I not equals to 0, then count also are same. Then when I equals to 5, n mod I equals to 0, count will increase. Now count is 2. Then the loop will not run because the condition will not satisfied. Then it check if the count is 2, then it's prime, and else is not prime. And here you can see the count is 2. So let's check how we write the program. First of all, we have to declare a header file and a main function. Then in variable int n, then the printf function, we are asking from user to give the value. We are storing the value by using scanf function. We are storing the value into n. Then the for loop, for I starts from 1, I goes up to n and I plus plus. Inside the loop, if n mod I equals to 0, count plus plus. Then if count, the value of count is 2, then printf, this is a prime number, and else if the value of count is not 2, more than 2, then printf. After that the return statement. So let's run this program. Enter the value 5, this is a prime number. 7, this is a prime number, but when we put 8, this is not a prime number. So I think you understand this program. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.